Hey Freedom Guerrillas, I just got the new M&P 5.7 and I'm really excited about this. I've always wanted a 5.7 pistol, so when I saw that Smith & Wesson came out with this at SHOT Show, I just knew I had to pick one up. So I've added a couple of things to this, and in this video I'll go over what I added and how to install it. So let's get started. The first must-have accessory that I'm going to put on the M&P 5.7 is the Holosun flashlight plus laser. And really there are 4 different types of the P.I.Ds from Holosun. We have a whole video going over all 4, but for me personally, it was either between the Plus or the regular P.I.D. high candela. So the cool part about the Plus is obviously it has the laser in the front, and that's what it looks like here. So the laser comes out right there, and there's 2 different paddles here. The top one is for turning on the flashlight, and the bottom one is turning on the laser itself. Very cool. It also has 900 lumens and it's 20,000 candelas, and it's pretty bright. So the high candela has 42,000 candelas. You know, that's what really makes it special. This one is as bright can be. It's as bright as you want on a flashlight. Realistically, I went with the laser because in my mind, if I'm using this for like a home defense situation and someone's in the house and, you know, I point the laser and they see the laser on them, they kind of know that they're screwed at that point, right? So I like the laser aspect of it. My favorite part is also that it's rechargeable right here. You literally just plug it in, maybe wait like an hour or 2 and you're good to go. But quick side note, because this stumped me when I first got it and opened it, when you first get it, there's a little screw at the bottom here, and you just have to unscrew it all the way. And before it'll even turn on, before you try charging it, there'll be a little piece of paper here that you just have to take out. If you don't take that out and you're pressing all the buttons and it doesn't turn on, yeah, that's why. So before I get this installed, let me see if my dog approves. So to attach this to the 5.7, we're literally just going to tighten this screw. We're using the number 2 plate that comes in the box. So we're going to line it up there, right, get it to where we want it, and then we are going to tighten. All right, now we have the P.I.D. installed. Simple as that, literally takes a couple of seconds. Now the second must-have for the 5.7, as you can tell, this thing's optics ready. So one of the whole reasons I bought it. So we're going to install an optic. Now I'll put a link in the description to our fitment guide, but this thing will have a direct fit for the Holosun 407K, 507K, EPS, and EPS carry. But there's a caveat. You do need specific screws. Now luckily we do sell these screws on freedomguerrilla.com. You can get them. We send them in a pack of 4. It's free shipping. And to go along with the screws, we also recommend a thread locker like Vibratite. This one we have on our store as well, and if you purchase it with the screws, it comes with a discount. We recommend this one specifically because of the formula. This is oil resistant, so when you're going to clean the slide here, and you take off the slide and you're cleaning everything and oiling it up, you don't have to worry about the thread locker deteriorating because this one is oil resistant, so it's going to keep the optic nice and tight to the slide. Now this 407K is in green, but there's actually one slight modification I did extra. I cerakoted it FDE so it matched the FDE 5.7. And again, I know we just discussed it. We're not going to use these screws here. You'll need the screws that are on freedomguerrilla.com to mount this directly. And as we mount this, we're also going to need to torque it to 15 inch-pounds. So for that, we're going to use our fat wrench, which you're able to select 15 inch-pounds and be able to torque it to the right specs. So first things first, obviously we have to take the optics plate that's currently on it and take it off. Okay, so these 2 nubs right up front, that's where we're going to put the nubs right down there. Right, so we're going to put those nubs there, and you'll see it's a direct fit. I still don't have screws in yet. And then we're going to tighten. And there we have it. It is now fully installed.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Now, what's important to note about the Cerakote is this is a very strong and durable finish. If you rub it up against something, it's not likely to get scratched on it, unless you drop it on like rocks or something like that. But what I want is to protect this when I'm not using it. So for that, we have Freedom Gorilla covers. So we can install that right on top. And that just simply fits right on top. This will fit the 407K and 507K. Thanks for watching Freedom Gorillas. I'm really curious to see what everyone's opinions are on the FDE 407K Green.
I like it.
So just leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Would you do another color that's Cerakoted? Just let me know. Thanks for watching.